on the ChatEDU Check-In, why AI labs are hiring philosophers. Let's get to the first takeaway. Leading artificial intelligence labs like Google DeepMind and Anthropic have begun hiring in-house philosophers to help develop the moral frameworks and behaviors of their models. So while philosophers have historically struggled with being employed, the rise of AI has made abstract questions about the nature of intelligence and the mind suddenly practical. These professionals are now working directly alongside computer scientists to sculpt the values and societal impacts of new technologies. Second takeaway, philosophers in these roles focused on technical value alignment and the creation of constitutions that dictate how models should interact with humans in sensitive scenarios. At Anthropic, resident philosophers are drafting specific documents addressed to the models to ensure they reflect human values and avoid inappropriate behaviors during interactions. This work involves identifying fringe cases, like how an AI should respond to a user in psychological distress to train out potentially harmful quirks. And the last takeaway, academic critics express concern that philosophers working with these for-profit labs may be used for ethics washing or to build hype around the perceived power of AI systems. So scholars are saying maybe by being on the corporate paycheck, you're actually limited as a philosopher to truly ask the most critical questions. And maybe this whole hiring a philosopher thing is actually a marketing function. So there's this persistent fear that these roles exist primarily to signal safety to the public, while the companies remain ultimately accountable to shareholders rather than ethical principles. Wow, this article brings up a lot of questions. So, what are the philosophers doing and whose philosophy are they following? That's a great question. And then, are they just being hired to make it look good for the companies, or are they actually doing some really good work? Lots of questions here, but philosophy majors, now might be your time. Make sure you check out the Chat EDU check-in every Tuesday and Thursday, and don't forget to watch The Big Show with me and Matt Mervis every Friday. Bye.